I'm Steve Jenkins from New Philadelphia, Ohio. You know, I think the most important thing to understanding anything you get into is having an educational opportunity, and Retail King has done that extremely well. I've had my own business. They did an extremely good job preparing those who have not. The thing that I learned the most about yesterday was the new marketing techniques. I come back from the days when newspaper and radio were the way to advertise, but it's totally changed today. I think having the right products and knowing how to use the product is really important, and I learned you don't need a lot of product, and the right tools, the right products makes the job work.